Today I made an obstacle avoider in which when these two IR sensors sense anything in front of them, the obstacle avoider turns. And some extra features are there, like we can switch off and on the sensors. Plus, we can on and off the direct motor system also. And when the sensor detects something, a light turns on. Same for the other sensor. Now I'll show you by keeping the robot in here. So like this, the obstacle avoider robot works. Hello everyone, my name is Archit and today in Robot Electronics class, I made this robot in which if we on this switch, the car goes forward, and then if we on this switch, the car goes backward and the red light turns on. And for the forward, the green light turns on. Thank you.